Hello everybody, we're working on a 2013 Lincoln MKS. We are adding in another key to the system. We got our programmer hooked up to the OBD down there. We told the car we needed to add a key, so we have to put the new key in the slot. For this vehicle, it's right there. This is where I put the new key into, and it does say Ford, but you can use them also for Lincoln. So that's where the programming slot in to learn the new keys. It takes 10 minutes. So right now we're just sitting it out, waiting for it. Once it's done, the car will cycle and let us know that the remote has been accepted, and we should be all done. So once again, 2013 Lincoln MKS, programming a new key. Actually, I think it's a 2012 Lincoln MKS. Thanks for watching, guys.